it wasn't even tiled correctly. It was pretty awful. Also, you cannot see the kitchen because the kitchen is behind this wall. In the middle here, we're gonna have a large island that is going to go into this space as well. Hello design enthusiasts, this is Anna Gibson with AKG Design Studio, and I'm really excited to introduce you to a new project. We are here in Reston, Virginia, and our client just bought this beautiful, or soon to be beautiful, townhouse right outside of the town center. It's a great location. The town center is literally 3 minutes walk. The area here is, you can actually even see the trail, the WOD trail. So if you love running, hiking, it's a perfect spot over here. That townhouse that they bought has been neglected for a while. There was some crazy remodel done. It is ugly. It is a lot of builder grade stuff, and we are here to make it fabulous, and especially the kitchen and the main floor. So follow me and let's see what's happening with the demo. So as you can see, the floor is being demoed. It is a little bit crazy. The floor was actually tiled. Listen, I tiled floor before. It's definitely not an American thing to do, but it wasn't even tiled correctly. It was pretty awful, and actually it was not glued down on the stairs. So it's a little bit crazy. So let me show you the space. This is the family room. Beautiful, great space. There's not a lot of things we need to do here except of cosmetics. So this is where the magic is actually going to happen from this side on. This is crazy, crazy kitchen wall. It is, as you can see, it is almost 20 some inches deep, which is just taking space from the kitchen. Also, you cannot see the kitchen because the kitchen is behind this wall. So if you have guests here, you can't really see anything. You can't talk to them. You can't do anything. And so we're going to open it up, create a beautiful big kitchen where you can actually host, enjoy seeing everybody in the family room, and actually have plenty of space to cook as well. So let me show you what's going on the other side. Before we leave, you can see that there is some pipes here. That's okay. We're going to remove them. Those pipes are easily being removed. This wall is a load-bearing wall, so there is going to be a beam over here that's going to come up and hold this wall. Of course, we want to make sure that we're safe and our clients are safe, and we're doing everything by the book. The only thing from this wall that is going to stay, it's going to be this HVAC area, this wall, and unfortunately it's going to be a little bit bigger than I thought that it's going to be. So that's why I asked them to start the demo sooner than later. So I was hoping that the return is going to be just to here. Now I see that we have another return here, so I'm gonna need to add another 10 inches to my plan, unfortunately, for that wall. But this is why it's super important to open walls before you finalize design, before you actually order cabinetry, because you don't know what surprises you're gonna have in the wall. So even though we could see this from the outside, we could not expect this to be here as well. So I'm glad we opened it up, and now let's go to the other side and see what's happening there. All right, so this is that kitchen. So this kitchen is probably was the builder grade. These units are not that old. They're probably about 20 years old. So you can see the travertine that is actually making a comeback, believe it or not, but it's definitely, you know, based on the backsplash with the travertine and the little decorative onlays. I can tell you that this kitchen is at least 20 years old, because like this is what we were designing with back then. So the idea is to take everything out, knock down that little pantry that, again, it's useless. You can't really do anything with it. It's too small, too narrow. Open all this wall, move and create a beautiful stove and refrigerator area along the back. We're actually going to utilize this space over here to move the sink, so you can have a beautiful sink by the window, and it's better utilized space right there. And then in the middle here, we're gonna have a large island that is going to go into this space as well, because otherwise the homeowner decided that this space is not going to be utilized. It's just going to stand up empty. And we are actually going to use the sunroom area as the dining room, because it's a great spot. Look at the beautiful view. Even on a winter day when you don't really have a lot of the greenery, there's still a lot of green and beautiful view through this window. So it's a great opportunity to utilize that as the dining room year round. And then over here, we're going to actually create a dry bar over here. So that's going to be a great extra serving area and for the island. So if you have guests, they're going to hang out in the island, and then they can come over here and grab their own drinks, and maybe even move the coffee station to here. So this way, everything is staying out of the main kitchen and cooking area. You know, you guys know how much I love my stations. So creating a drink and coffee station over here is absolutely going to be fabulous. We're gonna have the dishwasher station over there. The cooking station is going to be over here, and then a beautiful island where you can sit, work, and host is gonna be right here in the middle. So I am really, really excited for you guys to follow us along the journey with this project. Hopefully it should be a quick moving project, because the homeowners are eager to move into the new place, but they're not going to move in until until the space is ready. And as you can see, there was a lot of work that needs to be done here. So make sure you follow us on all our social media channels, wherever you catch us. And until next time, see you later.